Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the T5810 memory kit, specifically designed for the Dell Precision T5810 workstation. If you're looking to boost the performance of your T5810, especially for memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines, this kit might be exactly what you need. This kit includes two 32GB DDR4 ECC load reduced DMM modules running at 2133 MHz. The fact that it's ECC load reduced memory is crucial. This isn't your standard desktop RAM. It's designed for servers and workstations that demand high stability and data integrity. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring your data remains safe. The load reduced aspect means it can handle higher densities without putting excessive strain on the memory controller. Installation is generally straightforward, but it's essential to consult your Dell Precision T5810's manual for the correct memory seating and channel configuration. This will ensure you get the maximum performance from the upgrade. ATEC also offers tech support, which is a nice bonus if you run into any issues during installation or setup. One thing to keep in mind is that this memory is specifically for the Dell Precision T5810. It's not compatible with standard desktops or laptops that use non-ECC unbuffered memory. So, double-check your system's requirements before purchasing. The ATEC kit operates at 1.2V, which is the standard voltage for DDR4 memory. This helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check. The modules are 4DRX4, meaning they have a quad-rank design, which can improve memory bandwidth in certain workloads. ATEC backs this memory kit with a lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. They also offer US-based tech support, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter any problems. In summary, the ATEC 64GB DDR4 ECC load reduced memory kit is a solid upgrade option for the Dell Precision T5810 workstation. It offers increased memory capacity, error correction, and a lifetime warranty, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals who rely on their workstations for demanding tasks. Just be sure to verify compatibility with your system before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.